In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Class tracking is a really powerful way to organize your transactions so you can see how different parts of your business are performing. For example, you might use classes for different locations, departments, or types of services. Once this is turned on, you'll be able to run reports by class and get a much clearer picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. First, look at the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is where most of your main settings live. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When the menu opens, you'll see several options. From that list, choose Account and Settings. This is the area where you control how QuickBooks behaves for your specific company, so we'll make our changes here. Once you're in Account and Settings, look at the menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the tab labeled Advanced. The Advanced tab is where QuickBooks keeps more specialized options, including the tools we need for class tracking. On the Advanced page, scroll down until you find the section called Categories. To make changes in this section, click the small pencil icon on the right-hand side. That opens up the editing options. Now you'll see the option to turn on class tracking. Look for the switch or checkbox labeled Track Classes and turn it on. As soon as you enable this, QuickBooks will start letting you assign classes to your transactions. You'll also see an optional setting that says something like, "Warn me when a transaction isn't assigned a class." If you're serious about using classes consistently, it's a good idea to turn this on. That way, if you forget to assign a class, QuickBooks will give you a reminder before you save the transaction. Next, you'll need to decide how classes are assigned. Under Assign Classes, you'll have two choices. You can assign one class to the entire transaction, or you can assign a different class to each row in the transaction. If your transactions usually belong to just one part of the business, the first option is simpler. If you often split a single transaction across multiple departments or locations, choose the option to assign a class to each row. Once you've made your selections, click Save to lock in your changes. When you're done, click Done to exit the settings. Class tracking is now enabled, and you're ready to start using it in your everyday bookkeeping.